It's Friday morning and here we are at the NEC in Birmingham for MACH 2018. Here's the MTD suite just outside, situated just outside Hall 17. MACH 2018 preparations are fully underway, so let's go and take a closer look to see how everyone's getting on. Right, don't forget Hall 17. Oh, here's Mr. Jones. The sunglasses are looking good, Paul. Right. So off we go. Let's go and take a closer look. Wow, there's still a lot of work to do. So where are we going to go? Right, let's do a left. It's hard to know where we are, to be honest, because there's nothing really set up properly yet. It's just fascinating how they can get all of this site ready in time for Monday. I can see some machines here. Hiya, mate, you all right? Yeah, good, mate. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Right, we've got the XYZ stand here on my right. And they look like they've got lots of their machines in already, which is good to see. Yeah, we've got the manual machines here, or semi-CNC, and we're moving on, and even some of the new UMC fifth axis machine is already up and running. So they look like they're progressing quite nicely. There's a mill stand over there, and it looks like they've got a few machines in, and they're well underway. So it looks like all the machine tool people have got their machines in. The other stands don't seem to be as well prepared as of yet. Hey, oh, hello. How are you getting on, guys? Hello, how are you getting on?
All right, not bad. Yeah. We're actually building okay.
Are you going to be ready for Monday?
Bloody hope so. If not, it's his fault.
Right, no problem. See you Monday. So, everyone's all excited and happy. We've got the Makino stand over here, Blue Photon, part of NCMT, and these are part of the MACH packs. We will be spending a whole day on the NCMT stand. Let's go and have a look and see if there's anybody on the stand that we can talk to. So this is coming along nicely as well, the NCMT stand. Hiya, how are you doing? How's it going? All right?
Yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, we're all done, I think, the Makino side, so we're happy.
So Makino side done, what about the Akuma side?
They're pretty much there as well, so I think by sort of the end of play today we'll be up, the stand will be there, and it's just like all the cleaning and, you know, washing down and that, so all good, mate.
Brilliant, we look forward to spending a day on your stand.
See you on Wednesday.
See you Wednesday, bye-bye. So you have it, so that's coming along very nicely indeed. And here's the Akuma stand here. So we've as you can see, it's coming along nicely. Let's go and have a look. Hi, Richard.
Oh, how are we doing, mate? How are we doing, mate? You all right?
Yeah, very well. It's coming along nicely.
Oh, it's getting there slowly, mate.
Oh, good man. Well, we look forward to seeing you Wednesday.
Will do, mate.
Hello.
Hey, mate, all right.
Good morning. We're getting there. We're getting there. We've got our stand to build, and yours is coming along nice. Can't wait to spend a bit of time on here. See you soon. Bye-bye. So there you see the machines are in. Some of the live demos are ready. I mean, this demo here looks a lovely demo there. Wow. And there's Star GB. Now this is another one of the MACH packers, and as we can see, we've got some machines on show. So should we go and have a closer look to see if we can see anyone from Star? I can see a few people working on the machines. Here's Ali Mack. Ali? How are you, mate? You all right? How's it coming along?
Yeah, very well. As you can see, we're doing a bit of cleaning, getting prepared. You know, we've got all the machines ready, the guys here doing the stands. So, yeah, it's good. Thank you very much.
Oh, brilliant, man. We look forward to spending a day with you next week.
Hopefully.
All going to be ready for Monday?
Of course.
Nice to see you. Have a good day.
Thanks, mate.
Can we squeeze through here, Chris? Just watch your step. So it's a really nice atmosphere today. Everyone's working hard. Everyone's very confident that it's going to get done for Monday. And another beautiful looking stand. Hey, you all right? Now this is a big component here on the left, Chris. Wow. A big propeller for an airplane there. That's in position. I can see the Yamazaki Mazak stand over there, so we need to try and navigate our way over and see how they're getting on. Can you squeeze through here, Chris? Just watch your head. Cheers, thank you. Now, we're going to be on the Mazak stand on Monday, all day Monday, filming, and as you can see already, it looks like they're going to have some fabulous machinery and demos for us to all see, and some new technology to learn about. All right. Hello, you all right? How are you getting on?
Very well, thank you very much.
Going to be ready for Monday?
Absolutely. We'll be ready by Sunday, probably.
When did you start setting up?
Monday, last Monday, bank holiday.
Oh, blimey.
So,
Well, good luck, and we look forward to spending some time with you on Monday.
yeah, thank you.
Another large component here that's one of the demo pieces. As you can see, it's another very large stand. Hiya, good morning, Maya. Looking nice. Hiya, Lawrence.
Hello, Gio. How are you? Fine, thank you. You?
Going to be ready for Monday?
Yeah, we'll ask these boys.
Of course, as always.
Absolutely, yeah. Not going to change. All right, how are you? All right?
No, it's looking good. Looking forward to be on your stand on Monday. See you soon. Bye-bye. Yeah, looking good, Chris. Looking good. So, you can see some of the new machines. They're bringing some laser technology here on Monday as well. Really, it's going to be a great show. Really excited about it. You all right? We talked to Mike Sykes the other week about automation, and we can see one of the demos is actually running over here on the Quick Turn 250 MY. Right, so I reckon let's go down this. Let's go and see what's down here. Oh, I can see the DMG Mori stand down there. Let's go and have a look down here. Here's the Matsuura stand on the right. We've got an MX 330, and that looks like it's being prepared at the minute. I can see that the spindles rotating and the demos are being proven out. Hello, mate. Hey, you all right? Long time no see. Hi, yeah. Good to see you. Nice to see you. You too. See you soon. Hey, nice to see you, buddy. All right? How you getting on?
I'm all right, dude.
Good man. I'll see you next week.
All right, cool.
So, it's really busy. There's a real good feel about it, and it's only Friday. Here's the Hella stand over here. Can't see anyone at the minute on the Hella stand to talk to. Hey, mate, you all right? You all right? And I've lost my bearings a little bit. I think we've got to take a left here. Can we squeeze through here, Chris? And here's the DMG Mori stand, another company where we'll be spending a whole day on their stand. Now, they've got a big emphasis on automation, a big emphasis on gear cutting. They've got a 5th axis machine with grinding capability. So another great stand with lots of new technology for you to see. And again, it's coming along nicely. Most of the machines now are actually running, and the demos are being proven out. So, you know, a lot of the machine tool builders are nearly in position, I believe. Here's one of the automation cells here that's been added onto this DMU60 Evo Linear. Hi guys, how are you getting on?
All right, thank you.
You gonna be ready for Monday?
Oh, yes.
That's a nice demo in there. You can see actually cutting metal there. So that's a glimpse of what it's looking like so far on Friday. And as you can see, it's busy. And we're walking back out now of Hall 20. Hopefully it'll give you a bit of a perspective to see where Hall 17 is when we come out of these doors over here. And if you can see down that hallway there, all the way down to the bottom is Hall 17, where we started from on this tour, and the MTD suite is based. And we'll be having people there every single day. So if you're looking to come over and to see how we produce the videos and to see the latest news from the day, please come and join us every day from 3 p.m. onwards.